Hi, a unique and fast way of entering the expenses in simpliRP ERP. Go to Payments, New Supplier Payment Entry. Click on the link in the top for fast expenses entry. Here, select the date, party name, the account ledger name, mode of payment like cash, online or check. Here you can also select the department or machine or assembly line for which the expense is allocated. Please enter the amount. Please enter the remarks if any. Like this, you can enter several expenses together. After that, please click Update. When you go to Payment Voucher, you can see all these entries are already appearing. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.